Top 10 Most Dangerous Dirt Biking Trails Around the World. Dirt biking is an exhilarating sport that attracts enthusiasts from around the world. However, some trails are known for their extreme challenges, testing riders' skills and courage to the limit. Located in Moab, Utah, the Widowmaker is infamous for its steep drops, jagged rocks, and narrow passages. It's a favorite among experienced riders seeking an adrenaline rush, but it's not for the faint-hearted. The Roof of Africa, Lesotho. This annual enduro race is one of the toughest off-road competitions in the world. Riders navigate through treacherous mountain passes, rocky terrain, and unpredictable weather conditions. The Hell's Gate, Italy. Situated near Florence, Italy, this extreme enduro event challenges riders with steep inclines, rocky paths, and tight passages. Only the most skilled dirt bikers dare to take on this challenging course. The Red Bull Romaniacs, Romania. Known as one of the toughest hard enduro races globally, the Red Bull Romaniacs takes place in the Carpathian Mountains. Riders face steep climbs, rocky descents, and dense forests over several days of intense competition. The Baja 1000, Mexico. This legendary desert race in the Baja California Peninsula is notorious for its rough terrain, including sand dunes, rocky trails, and unpredictable wildlife. It's a grueling test of endurance for dirt biking enthusiasts. The Dakar Rally, various countries. Formerly known as the Paris-Dakar Rally, this iconic off-road race now takes place in different countries each year. Participants tackle diverse landscapes, including deserts, mountains, and sand dunes, facing extreme weather conditions and long distances. The Urals Mountains, Russia. Riders who venture into the Urals Mountains face rugged terrain, dense forests, and unpredictable weather. The remote location adds an additional element of danger, with limited access to medical assistance in case of emergencies. The Kamchatka Peninsula, Russia. This remote region in eastern Russia offers some of the most challenging dirt biking trails in the world. Riders navigate through volcanic landscapes, river crossings, and rough terrain, with the added risk of encountering wild animals. The Trans-Euro Trail, Europe. Stretching across multiple countries in Europe, the Trans-Euro Trail offers adventurous riders a chance to explore diverse landscapes, from mountain passes to dense forests. However, its remote locations and challenging terrain can pose significant risks. The Simpson Desert, Australia. Crossing the Simpson Desert on a dirt bike is a test of skill, endurance, and preparation. With its vast sand dunes, scorching temperatures, and limited water sources, this remote desert presents numerous challenges for intrepid riders. Don't forget to subscribe and like. These trails offer some of the most thrilling and dangerous dirt biking experiences in the world, attracting riders who crave adventure and adrenaline. Survival tips and gear essentials for conquering these death-defying paths. Surviving and conquering the death-defying paths of these extreme dirt biking trails requires careful preparation, proper gear, and knowledge of survival techniques. Here are some essential survival tips and gear recommendations for tackling these challenging trails. Proper protective gear. Full-face helmet with goggles to protect your head and eyes from impacts and debris. Off-road motorcycle boots with ankle support and durable soles to safeguard your feet and ankles from injuries. Riding gloves to improve grip and protect your hands from blisters, abrasions, and impacts. Body armor or a chest protector to shield your torso from impacts and debris. Riding pants and jersey made of durable, abrasion-resistant materials to protect your legs and upper body. Navigation tools. GPS device or smartphone with offline maps to navigate through remote areas and unfamiliar terrain. Compass and paper maps as backup navigation tools in case of GPS or electronic device failure. Satellite communication device or emergency beacon for summoning help in case of emergencies or getting lost. Survival kit. First aid kit with essential medical supplies such as bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and blister treatment. Emergency shelter such as a lightweight tent, bivy sack, or emergency space blanket to provide protection from harsh weather conditions. Fire starting tools such as waterproof matches, lighters, or fire starters for warmth, cooking, and signaling for help. Multi-tool or knife for various tasks, including repairs, cutting, and food preparation. Water purification tablets or portable water filter to purify water from natural sources. Emergency supplies. Adequate food supply such as energy bars, trail mix, and dehydrated meals to sustain energy levels during long rides or in emergency situations. Sufficient water supply or hydration system to stay hydrated, especially in hot and arid environments. High-energy snacks such as nuts, dried fruits, and jerky for quick energy boosts. Emergency whistle or signaling mirror for attracting attention and signaling for help. Mechanical tools and spare parts. Basic toolkit including wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, and tire repair tools for minor repairs and maintenance. Spare parts such as inner tubes, tire irons, chain links, and brake pads for common mechanical failures. tire pump or portable air compressor for inflating tires and repairing flats on the trail. Survival skills. Basic first aid skills including wound care, CPR, and treating common injuries encountered on the trail. Navigation skills using maps, compass, and landmarks to navigate through unfamiliar terrain. Shelter building techniques using natural materials to provide protection from adverse weather conditions. Fire building skills using various methods such as friction fire, fire starters, or chemical fire igniters. Emergency communication techniques including signaling for help using whistles, mirrors, or smoke signals. By equipping yourself with the right gear, survival skills, and knowledge, you'll be better prepared to conquer these death-defying paths while staying safe and resilient in challenging situations. Additionally, always remember to ride within your limits, assess risks carefully, and prioritize safety at all times. Top questions and answers on dirt biking on dangerous trails around the world. Don't forget to subscribe and like. What kind of dirt biking experience do I need before tackling dangerous trails? It's essential to have intermediate to advanced dirt biking skills, including riding on various terrains, navigating obstacles, and handling weather. How do I choose the right dirt bike for tackling extreme trails? Select a dirt bike that is suitable for the type of terrain you'll be riding on, whether it's rocky mountainsides, sandy deserts, or dense forests. Opt for a lightweight, agile bike with good suspension, off-road tires, and adequate engine power to handle the demands of rough terrain. What safety gear is essential for dirt biking on dangerous trails? Full-face helmet, goggles, body armor, riding gloves, off-road boots. Endurable riding apparel made of abrasion-resistant materials are essential for protecting yourself from injuries in case of falls or collisions. What navigation tools and emergency equipment should I carry on the trail? Bring navigation tools such as GPS devices, maps, compasses, and emergency communication devices to navigate through remote areas and call for help if needed. Pack a well-stocked first aid kit, emergency shelter, survival supplies, and mechanical tools for minor repairs and maintenance. What should I do in case of emergencies or accidents on the trail? Stay calm and assess the situation before taking action. Administer first aid if necessary, stabilize the injured person, and call for help using your emergency communication device. What are some essential riding techniques for navigating dangerous trails? Master fundamental riding techniques such as body positioning, throttle control, braking, and cornering to maintain control and stability on challenging terrain. Seek guidance from experienced riders, join local dirt biking clubs or forums, and attend off-road riding events to learn from others and expand your knowledge. There are many insurance options for dirt biking and off-road motorcycle activities. Specialized off-road vehicle insurance extends to ATVs, UTVs, and snowmobiles. Personal injury protection (PIP) insurance covers medical expenses and lost wages from off-road accidents, regardless of fault. Consult an insurance company, review policy terms, and consult a specialist for appropriate coverage. There are numerous resources, schools, and communities catering to dirt biking enthusiasts. Off-road riding schools. Many schools offer specialized training to enhance riders' skills in navigating challenging terrain. Examples include Rawhide Adventures, BMW Off-Road Skills, Chris Birch Off-Road Riding Clinics, and Dirtwise by Shane Watts. Dirt biking clubs and organizations. Joining clubs fosters camaraderie and offers opportunities for group rides and events. Examples include the American Motorcyclist Association, AMA, Trail Riders Fellowship, Canadian Motorcycle Association, and Enduro World Series. Online communities and forums. Platforms like AdVrider, ThumperTalk, and Reddit's Dirt Bikes provide spaces for enthusiasts to share tips, discuss trails, and exchange information. Social media groups and pages. Facebook groups like Dirt Bike Riders Worldwide, and Instagram pages showcase riding experiences, gear reviews, and trail recommendations. YouTube channels also offer tutorials and adventure vlogs. Local meetup groups. Meetup.com hosts local groups organizing rides and social events, enabling riders to connect and explore trails together.